Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Anugraha and I'm in 4th grade. In my previous video, I talked about what H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6 are, and I talked about what P is and stopped in fill in the blanks with placeholder text lesson. Now we're going to continue the lesson, so let's get started. Okay, now this is the next challenge. The uncomment HTML. Commenting is a way that you can leave comments for other developers within your code without affecting the resulting output that is displayed to the end user. So comments in HTML start with this one and end with this one. Now the goal is to uncomment your H1, H2 and P elements. So this is commented so that we can't see here in this part where the output is. This is where we give the input and this is where we get the output. So we can't see anything in this output because it's already commented, so we can't see it. Now we got to uncomment it. So for uncommenting it, just delete those ones. So now see, it came back because we uncommented it. See? Okay, now let's run the tests. Let's see. Yes, we got it correct. Okay, now let's submit and go to the next challenge. Remember, in order to start a comment, you need to use this one. This is very, very important. If you forget to start and if you forget to put these both things, then it won't be commented because both of the starting and ending are important. So you should remember this is very important. You always need to put this. This is to start a comment. You need to use this, and to end a comment, you always need to use this. And don't get it mixed up. This is for starting, and this is for ending. Now our goal here is to comment out your H1 element and your P element, but not your H2 element. So basically this means our cat photo app should only be visible in the output and our H1 and P should not be visible. So for this is easy. Now already our whole thing is commented out. So we can't see anything over here. Now we got to uncomment only cat photo app and rest of it should not be visible. Okay, so for that we just already the first one is given, the starting comment is given over here above the H1, hello one. Now we got to end. So for that, this is the end one, and now we can't see the H1 because we commented it, but we can see the paragraph. So we comment that also. So for that, the end comment is already over here. Now we just got to put the starting comment, which is like this. Now see, only cat photo app is visible. That's because we commented out everything else except cat photo. Now try to run the test. Yes, we got it correct. Let's go to the next one. Now delete HTML elements. So now our goal, it's just for deleting the HTML elements, so I just don't need to explain it, right? Okay, now what we need to do is delete our H1 elements so we can simplify our view. So it's basically need to just delete this H1 hello world. So if we delete it, it's not going to come over there because we deleted it. Now let's run. Yes, we got it correct. Let's submit and go to the next one. Now, introduction to HTML5 elements. HTML5 includes more descriptive HTML tags. These include main, header, footer, nav, video, article. These tags give a descriptive structure to your HTML, make your HTML easier to read, and help with SEO or search engine optimization and accessibility. Search engine optimization is, for example, if you want to search cat photo app in Google, I'm just going to search cat photo app. Now if you and you might get the results. So if you want to get the results, you need to add text in a meaningful tag. There are so many people in the world with disabilities, and we need to help them. In order to do that, we can add tags or attributes, and that's called accessibilities. Okay, now we need to do this. And now our goal is create a second P element after the existing P element with the following kitty ipsum text. In this one, then create a main element and nest the two P elements inside the main element. Okay, now let's do the first one. Let's create another P. Let's see, P. Now let's just copy paste it. Yes, over there. Now we need to add this P. Okay, now we got it correct. Okay, now we need to add a main element over here. So in order to do the main, you need to do like this. For example, see, the example is over there. And now to stop it, you need to do this one, like this. Main. There we go. And now let's try to run the tests. Yes, we got it correct. And that's it for this video. And try it. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.